Can I connect devices to my router using the WPS button?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to explore a nifty feature available on most modern routers, the WPS button. WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a method that allows you to connect devices to your wireless network without needing to enter a password. Stick with us, and we'll teach you how to get it done.
What is the WPS button?
Before we jump in, let's understand what exactly the WPS button is. The WPS button is a physical button on your router or an option in your router software that starts a window of opportunity for a device to connect with the network. It uses a secure connection method, so you won't need to enter your Wi-Fi password.
Where is the WPS button located?
The WPS button's location can vary based on the brand and model of your router. It is generally found on the back or the side of the device. It's usually labeled as WPS or marked with a symbol that looks like two curved arrows forming a circle.
How to use the WPS button to connect devices.
Here's the step-by-step process to connect devices using the WPS button. 1. Switch on the device you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network. 2. Go to the device's network settings and select the option to connect via WPS. 3. Quickly move to your router and press the WPS button. 4. Return to your device and confirm any prompts that appear. 5. After a few seconds, your device should be connected to your Wi-Fi network. Note: the exact procedure may vary depending on the device and router you're using. Always refer to your devices and routers manuals if you encounter difficulties.
Are there any security concerns with WPS?
While the WPS feature is handy, it's important to be aware that it can pose some security risks. This is because anyone who has access to your router can connect a device to your network using the WPS button. To safeguard against this, only press the WPS button when you are physically present to monitor who is connecting. Some routers also offer an option to disable WPS if you're concerned about security. That wraps up our guide on using the WPS button to connect devices to your Wi-Fi network. With this knowledge, you can now enjoy a quick and easy connection process without the hassle of remembering or typing in your Wi-Fi password. Remember to stay mindful of the security aspects. We hope this video has been informative and that you feel more confident in harnessing the power of WPS. Happy connecting!